Okay, we're back here with the sawmill and we're cutting the log for the first time. A little late at night, but we're cutting it. And we leveled all this off, cleared everything out of the way just so that we could do this. And now it's all level and ready to cut. We got the height of the saw all set up for what we think we want. So once it warms up, we're gonna cut it.
Look at this.
We're just trying to see if we can close it at all.
Yeah, I'll close that comp.
I think that's good right there. I don't think that's there. That was a good first cut. You can see that we got a little ridges from, I think maybe from going too slow. And it got a little better when we got a little faster. So we're gonna try keeping it at an even pace, but still decently quick. Now we're gonna flip this thing. We're gonna do 90 degrees or 180?
180.
We're gonna do 180 degrees to this flat side. We'll lay flat on these beams. Look, it's going up it.
Oh, we're going 180, that's right.
Am I on the flat spot yet or no?
It's made for it.
Gotta come down.
You'll hear it when it hits. Oh, there you go. Yep. Yeah.
Good board.
Yep. You gotta go from the other spot. Yeah, no, okay. It's all right. Thank you. How would you square that off?
Pretty much flat right up.
Look at that, it's starting to get square. Turkey's off. So you get closer. Go down right there. Now we're gonna cut this portion off. So we're gonna flip it over twice. We're gonna flip it over 180 degrees and we're gonna cut off this side so we can get a nice four-sided flat.
Watch your leg.
Look at this.
Near perfect.
Oh, good.
Okay, and the cool thing to us to know about this thing is this is cherry. This isn't just like normal oak or cedar. This is cherry. So it's actually a pretty valuable log right here. It's not, if we want to use this for ourselves or if we ever want to buy something like this, it would be expensive. Very expensive to buy it. So, and we just cut it up in, I guess it's been an hour. We just cut it up and it's gonna cost us almost nothing aside from, you know, fuel. But that's gonna be the end of this video. See you in the next sawmill video.
Grumpy will be over there every day cutting wood.